Hello and welcome everybody to Basic Anatomy Vocabulary. There are a handful of important anatomic terms which we will use time and again to describe the position and location of various structures in the human body. And the basis, the foundation for all of these, is the so-called anatomic position. The anatomic position is the standard position assumed by the human body, which will be used henceforth when describing it. The position is that of the human standing and facing us forward. The feet are firmly planted and pointing forward, and the palms are likewise facing forward. Next, there are three so-called imaginary planes which run through the human body in the anatomic position. These are the anatomic planes. First, the transverse or horizontal plane is a plane that runs across the body. This is the most common cut used in CT and MRI scans. Second, the sagittal plane is a plane formed by a vertical midline cutting through and dividing the body into a right side and a left side. Finally, the coronal or frontal plane is a plane formed by a cut across the body from side to side and top to bottom. Finally, having learned the anatomic position and the anatomic planes, we can now talk about anatomic orientation. Superior, also called cranial, refers to an orientation towards the top of the body. Inferior or caudal refers to towards the bottom of the body. Anterior, also called ventral, means towards the front, and posterior or dorsal means towards the back. Medial refers to being closer to the midline, and lateral means being further away from the midline. So as an example, suppose we have these mass, this smiley-faced lesion over here. We can describe it in terms of anatomic parlance as first, being located anteriorly or ventrally because it is located in the front side of the body. Second, it is located relatively superiorly because it is closer to the head than it is closer to the feet. Thirdly, the mass is medial relative to the right upper extremity because it is closer to the midline. Therefore, the lesion is anterior, superior, and medial. Suppose the same smiley-faced mass transferred here. The mass is still anterior because it is still located in the front side of the body, but it is now inferior because it is closer to the feet now than it is closer to the head. Finally, it is relatively lateral compared to the rest of the left lower extremity. In summary, the lesion is anterior, inferior, and lateral.